68 runs yesterday. 68 runs is what they scored yesterday. A big thank you to Pawan Mundra, Vikas Gupta, Sandeep Vaidya, Rupendra Soni, Mr. Michael, one and all. Mr. Shankar definitely will always remain to be a guiding light. He's the beacon, Mr. Shankar. Match number 4 of the morning session, the last match of the morning session getting underway. Lights, camera, action, showtime. Just hold on please, umpire sir. Please hold. Just hold on. Very rarely do I see any organizers doing the scoring, but this is what happens at the Exquisite. They've got a formulated scoring Excel sheet, a tailor-made scoring Excel sheet for the Exquisite CHSL, and the organizers themselves are doing a swell job as far as the scoring is concerned. A few limitations on Crick Heroes. We've got an option for the negative scoring, but once you accomplish the target, we cannot further do the scoring on Crick Heroes. A warm welcome to Mr. Shankar. It's going to be Aditya. He was in a terrific form with the ball in the first match. He will have to be spot on. They are up against the defending champions. Nothing to lose here, I feel, for Team Classy Riders. They can just go out there without any pressure. Go out there, enjoy the game, express yourself in the middle. That really should be the Mool Mantra. Do not take unwanted pressure. Just focus on the controllables. Do not worry one bit about the uncontrollables. Do not let the reputation of team superstars get to you. The first half of the day number 2 of the APL 2024. A big thank you to Dhanlakshmi Group, the sponsor of the Exquisite Premier League 2024. The biggest thank you to Mr. Dipesh Nigam. Good to go, sir. इस मैच के टॉस को जीता है क्लासी राइडर्स ने, गेंदबाजी का चयन किया है. चलिए फोकस करते हैं पूरी तरह से मैच पर. प्ले टाइम. The cover drive that will remain one of the favorite shots for Rahul. Jinesh on strike now. They form such a formidable pair. Turning it round the corner. Aditya, the ace up the sleeve for Classy. Oh, and Rahul Jha, the danger man, is gone. -5. Oh, they pick up the big fish. The danger man is back in the pavilion. Rahul Jha, a little dejected, a little disappointed. What a key wicket. What a key wicket. Imparting those extra revolutions and a good backup job. -3 at the moment. Mangesh comes in at the crucial number 3 spot. Yesterday also he stayed at the wicket for some good time. He spent quality time at the wicket in the company of Rahul Jha. So he will be looking to start from where he left the other night. Mangesh definitely is one of the key players. With his all-round ability and with his very positive attitude, he will really have to be the heart and soul of the team as far as Superstars is concerned, Mangesh. But the job is cut out. Off to just the kind of start that team Classy Riders wanted. -2 with that single. Punching it away into the mid-off area. -1. No more negativity. None for one. पहले ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद बिना कोई रन्स बनाए 1 विकेट का नुकसान हुआ है टीम सुपरस्टार्स के लिए. They are such a well-stocked team. If you look at the depth in the batting of a team Superstars, they can really bat quite deep. Looking to flight the ball, Raja. That is his strong point. They have posted the right men in the right areas. It's been declared a wide one. Oh, a direct hit maybe would have put the man in trouble. That is Harsh. Driven downtown. A 4 for 1. Make it 5 for 1. The score at the end of 2 overs is 5 for 1. A very, very interesting start here for Classy Riders. They are up against the defending champions. They have to be at their very best. Exactly what the doctor ordered for Team Classy Riders. They already have the danger man gone. Rahul Jha is back in the dugout. One more man stationed in the deep now that the restrictions are a little relaxed. 2 men can be posted on the boundary rope. Mangesh, the man on strike. Oh, well bowled. What a delivery. That's a japper. Advait. Well bowled, well fielded. Everything happening out there. The match on, the game on at the moment. The brakes have been put by the Classy Riders. Two dots. On the edge, the man on strike. On the edge scenario. Advait is into his elements. He's found his bearings. Advait seems to be in good bowling form. Not afraid to take the aerial route. Well done by Harsh, covering those angles. You have to be more proactive when you are fielding in your follow through. You cannot just stay rooted to your crease. As soon as you finish your bowling action, you have to be proactive. 3 ओवर के बाद रन संख्या 9 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर. अब तक काफी सम्मानजनक प्रदर्शन किया है क्लासी राइडर्स ने. थोड़ा सा मोमेंटम उनके पक्ष में, क्लासी राइडर्स के पक्ष में. सुपर ओवर का इशारा होता हुआ. दिस विल मेक थिंग्स मोर इंटरेस्टिंग. The batting team has got the right to select the super over, and this is the over they have opted for. Aditya, left arm round the wicket. Oh, this could be dangerous. Oh my word. -10 was there for the taking. They missed out on that opportunity. A slow turn on exhibition. He's imparting those extra revolutions when he releases the ball. His bowling is Chinaman deliveries. What a super effort. Oh my word, he saved at least 4 or 5 runs for the team. That is extraordinary. The Superman Harsh. What an effort. Superlative effort. With this kind of an effort, he lifts the spirit of the whole team. One more man gone, -10. Oh, what a start here. From 17 for 1, they come down to 7 for 1. The super over, so -10. The score after the deduction is 7 for 2. What a start for Classy Riders. Now they got to capitalize on this start. They cannot let this kind of a start go to waste. They have to keep going. They have to continue with this picture of grit and determination. They got to continue the good show. The captain arrives at the wicket. That is for Team Superstars, Dhaval Modi. The positivity vaccine. Dhaval Modi. Very well driven, offering the full face of the bat, Mangesh. Mangesh will have to play the steady hand. What he does best is to provide that steady hand. It's a no ball. The free hit. Oh, what a good effort. Raja is an absolute live wire. There is no doubt that Raja is one of the best infielders at the exquisite. That was purposefully played in the air. He was in total control of that shot. No danger, no harm. Dhaval Modi is the X-factor player. There is nothing that he cannot do on the cricket field. That kind of a player, multi-dimensional player. Three important runs. धवल मोदी वाकई अपनी टीम के वजीर आजम प्लेयर है. काफ़ी कुछ मोदी के सक्षम कंधों पर निर्भर है. They have got a fantastic bowling attack, mind you. So team Classy Riders cannot be complacent. पांच ओवर के बाद केवल 16 रन. नई गेंदबाज विनीत, स्ट्राइक पर मंगेश. चलिए, थर्ड अंपायर की दिशा में रुक किया है. जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज इस वक्त क्लासी राइडर्स की वैसा सजेस्ट करती हुई कि मंगेश को शायद पेविलियन में वापस आना होगा, लेकिन कभी कभी थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा एक्साइटमेंट होता है. सो यू नेवर नो. कैच छूटा, नेवर रन ऑन मिसफील्ड ऐसा कहते हैं. कैच छूटने के बाद भी अगर -5 बॉलिंग टीम को मिलते तो फिर दैट इज पुअर क्रिकेट ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ द सुपरस्टार्स. We'll have to wait and watch. Nothing will be clear. Sometimes technology can throw up a different picture. Oh, that is out. -5. Modi on strike. जब तक मोदी विकेट पे है सब कुछ मुमकिन है. मोदी है तो मुमकिन है. Oh, that ball reared off a length. Reared off a length. Oh my God, this is unbelievable. At the moment, team Superstars is buckling under pressure. What a start here. They are in the driver's seat. Momentum पूरी तरह से टीम क्लासी राइडर्स के पक्ष में नजर आता हुआ इस वक्त. रन संख्या है 6 रन, 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर, जबकि छठा ओवर प्रगति पथ पर है. केवल 6 रन 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर. दोनों ही नए बल्लेबाज अब विकेट पे मौजूद है. और विनीत के लिए कितनी शानदार शुरुआत, कितनी शानदार शुरुआत. 2 बल्लेबाजों को पेविलियन कर चलता किया है. Very well played. That will be into the declared zone. 2 runs added. The score moves on to $11 runs. The final score 11 after 6 overs. 12 गेंदबाजी बाकी है. स्ट्राइक पर जय. जियो जयशील, अद्वैत का स्पेल बरकरार। Oh, Bolt, what a delivery! That's a peach of a delivery. Oh my word, that is the picture perfect delivery. That will have to be the ball of the tournament so far. The delivery of the tournament, not just the delivery of the morning. That will have to be the delivery of the tournament so far. Now more than half the team back in the hut. 6 for 5. And just look at the state of affairs for the defending champions. क्रिकेट गेम आपको अर्श से फर्श तक ले आ सकता है। कल इसी टीम ने 68 रन बनाए थे और इस वक्त पूरी तरह से पारी लड़खड़ा चुकी है 6 रन 5 विकेट के नुकसान पर। दिस इज एंड ओनली वन। अद्वैत इज द मैन ऑफ द मोमेंट, द मैन ऑफ द मोमेंट अद्वैत। द यंग रन इज फायरिंग. We will keep hearing about this youngster in the future. Raja is in my books of what a little I have seen of Raja. He will have to be in contention for the best fielders award. One of the best infielders. They are the hat-trick ball and 1 run for the loss of 6 wickets. Only 1 for 6. The underdog team, Classy Riders, is in a very good position. Oh, what a delivery! That's a japper. Oh my word, this man is on a roll. He's making a big statement here, Advait. हुनर का कुबेर अद्वैत। ये हुनर का कुबेर का खिताब अद्वैत को जा सकता है। 2 dot balls. On the edge, Pankaj. The 3rd wicket goes down, -5. -4 now with those -5. They are in the negative. Who would have thought that this would be the case for Team Superstars? Oh, what a turnaround, what a turnaround. This is the beauty of the game. This is why the game of cricket is the only religion in the country. -4. The last batting pair at the wicket, the last batting pair. -3 with that single. -3 at the end of 7 overs. आखिरी 6 गेंदानी बाकी है। सुमित जैन और जयशील। सुमित स्ट्राइक पर। Jay is at the non-striking end. Vinith and Advait have been brilliant. Down on the mat, Team Superstars. They are in a hole. They are in a hole and that is all out. Oh my word, that is unbelievable. What a memorable performance here. They restrict the defending champions Superstars in the negative. That is unbelievable. Who would have thought that a team that pulled on 68 runs just yesterday evening will be in this sorry state of affairs. This is all to the credit of Team Classy Riders. They won the toss, they opted to bowl first, and they have Team Superstars on the mat, big time on the mat. They are in the hole. इससे बेहतर मौका अब आगे कभी भी नहीं मिलेगा टीम क्लासी राइडर्स को। इससे बेहतर मौका कभी भी नहीं मिलेगा। नहीं, इससे बड़ा मौका नहीं मिलेगा। माइनस है ना, मौका बोला, मौका सर। मौका बोला, मौका, चांस बोला. You need only one to win, na? A terrific cricket match on exhibition for the handful of spectators who've come out early morning. It's a Sunday morning.
Hi, good morning. I'm Prashant Gala from Mumbai.
Hello, I'm Dr. Vishali Saraswat.
Hi, I'm Amit Saraswat.
Hi, this is Jalak Chamra.
मैं एक satisfied customer हूँ निखिल नायक जी का.
It's been a beautiful journey with Nikhil and his team.
NyQuil has been our financial advisor since 1990.
Before I had joined, sir, I had no wealth. But yeah, I started making a lot of wealth after that.
The way Nike Wealth चीजों को manage करती है extraordinary है.
Their intent is not to sell.
And I clearly told him हर महीने पैसा आएगा, गलती से भी मुझे जरूरत पड़े तो तोड़ के वापस मत देना.
And in the last 33 years, we've not just built our portfolio, but we have built a family relationship with the entire NyQuil team.
Fact, figure और data के basis के ऊपर वो अपने client को guide करते हैं.
I am truly fan of them.
Today, third generation of Saraswat family has been taking advice from Nike Wealth, and we cannot really think that another 10 generations will go away anywhere else other than Nike Wealth.
Thank you so much, Nikhil Nayak and entire team for your services. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Will dish out superstars. They are a very capable team. Nobody can doubt their potent. The umpire is about to give that final call. Eight men teams in the fray, 3 women's team and 2 kids team. And Jayshil will be bowling the first over. He's the X-factor bowler. He's got to be spot on. The man on strike, Hitesh Mahajan. Rupendra Soni at the non-striking end. Playtime. Putting the ball into the gap, playing it on the back foot to Rupendra Soni. Wide gained. Welcome runs. स्वागत हार्य runs team Classy Riders के लिए. Opening the face of the bat at the very last moment, putting the ball into the deepish gully region for a single. The score is 4. Almost got his man. Oh, what a delivery. Three dot deliveries and he's dismissed. -5. 3 dot balls. After 3 dot balls on the trot, you have to be dismissed. -5. The score at the moment is very well fielded, very well fielded. The new man is Gaurav. At the moment, 0 for 1. Giving it the due respect, Gaurav Seth. That's a wide ball, so oh, well done. He breaks the shackles for a boundary. Just what the doctor ordered. The score at the end of 2 overs is 6 for 1. Captain Dhaval Modi now comes into the attack. Two very good players up against each other, Gaurav and Dhaval. That's a no ball. And that's been referred upstairs. Looks like the way they are celebrating, this could be close. We'll have to confirm. It's been referred upstairs. There you go, the action replay. A bit of a fumble, frame by frame. There you go, he picks up the ball. Not even in the frame at the moment. It's gone. Two for two. 2 for 2 it is. Dhaval Modi is on a roll. He's making things happen. Dhaval Modi. He's the cheerleader of the team. A very positive player. Two for two. Three dot balls and they go into -3. Just look at Modi. They are not going to offer the win on a plate. That goes without saying. It's a champion team that we are talking about. They will be looking to take the match if they still believe in themselves. That is the best part of the champion team. As I keep mentioning, it's not all about what the champion team wins. It's all about how they win it. And Dhaval Modi, the cheerleader, once again on a roll. -3 at the moment. 3 wickets down. 3 wickets down. -2. The score remains stationary on -2. He can be a very powerful hitter of the ball, Gaurav. With that single, -1. 3 wickets down. They are in the negative at the moment. It's great to see that team Superstars is still showing stomach for fight. They are a champion team. They've got a reputation to live up to. In spite of the odds against them, they are still fighting it out. They are showing some good character. The job is cut out for team Classy Riders. What a brilliant bowling and a fielding effort by the Classy Riders. Can the batters do the job? Not a mountain to climb. They just got to stay at the wicket. As simple as that. Just hang on. All grit and determination. -5. That ball reared off a length. This match is not over, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Do not go away. This has the makings of still going right down to the wire. In comes Aditya Shah. The new man in Aditya. Easy stuff, easy stuff. -6 at the moment. 4 wickets down, isn't it? New man in Aditya. At the moment, team Superstars is exhibiting titanium nerves. Steely nerves is what they are exhibiting. They are putting in more than 100% in the moment. They are showing great fighting character, Team Superstars. Oh my word, he misses that opportunity. Can they make this missed opportunity count, Classy Riders? This could be the turning point. Very, very well run. Very good run taken. Very well judged. Classy Riders have been brilliant with the ball and they have really fielded brilliantly. Aditya Shah on the back foot, putting the ball into that mid-on area. -3. -3. After 4 overs, -3. -3 it is at the moment, and Superstars were -8 at the end of their innings. At the end of their innings, Superstars were -8. At the moment, Classy Riders -3. Oh, that is, we'll have to wait into the declared zone. That's a no ball. 3 runs added. 3 runs, 3+1. It's been referred. They have taken a review. That comes upstairs. Obviously, in this kind of a situation, there is no point of thinking. You have to go for the review. Just hope against hope. Tense moments. Dhanlakshmi Group, the sponsor of EPL 2024, Season 5. Such a good crowd has gathered Sunday morning. The final match underway. The final second half. The score is 0. The first runs on the board. 1 run. The score is 1. The tap shot, that's an intelligent shot. That is one of the trending shots in underarm cricket, the tap shot. Quite a safe shot to be playing. The score is 2. The score remains on 2. That's been referred into the box for that wide run. Tensed moments for both the camps. This match is more close than what the scorecard is suggesting. जो मैच की स्थिति है इस वक्त वो स्कोर कार्ड उसे जस्टिफाई नहीं कर रहा है. बहुत ही नाजुक स्थिति है. So that's a wide ball. So that score moves up to 3, isn't it? 3 runs, yes. Aditya on strike. He's playing a good hand, a good start for him, Aditya. The score 4. Run sankhya 4 run. The final ball to come. And down the leg side, that single will take the score to 5. End of the over. The scoreline reads 5. 5 रन्स बने हैं. 5 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 5 रन्स. Yes, everybody is playing to win, but there is no animosity. किसी भी तरह से कोई रंजिश नहीं है आपस में. Quite a few players have shifted bases in this EPL. So no clear favorite at the start. Oh, well timed, very well timed. Seven, 7 runs. With that single, the score on to 8. That is one of the favorite shots for Aditya. He goes on the back foot and puts the ball into that deep covers region. Very smartly played, very well done, in total control. He was in total control. With that single, the score now went to double figures, 10. The 6th over underway. Clean ball, so -5, and the score now comes down to 5. इस वक्त रन संख्या 5 रन. अभी भी जद्दोजहद करती हुई टीम सुपरस्टार्स, अभी भी मेहनत करती हुई लगी हुई है, डटी हुई है. टीम का एक हरफन मौला खिलाड़ी अब बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए उतरा है, वो है राजा. The score is 5. 5 wickets down. The score at the end of 6 overs, that is 5 for 5. 5 down. शाइली जी और विकी भाई दोनों क्रिक हीरोज से भी परफेक्ट है. चले, इस वक्त रन संख्या है 5 रन 5 विकेट के नुकसान पर. और जब टीम सुपरस्टार्स की पारी खत्म हुई थी, रन संख्या थी -8. दैट इज द स्टोरी सो फार. -8 इज व्हाट दे पुट ऑन द बोर्ड, टीम सुपरस्टार्स. Aditya on strike. Aditya remains to be the key. जब तक आदित्य विकेट पे है किसी भी तरह से कोई भी चिंता का विषय नहीं है टीम क्लासी राइडर्स के लिए। They are hanging on. Just look at the approach of Team Superstars. They are showing some great character. अभी तक दम नहीं तोड़ा है दोस्तों टीम सुपरस्टार्स ने, घुटने नहीं टेके हैं। Oh my word! मंगेश कैच छूटा, सपना टूटा, दिल रूठा, मैच भी छूटा। Of all the people, Mangesh had to drop that one. He could have pouched it even with closed eyes. बंद आंखों से भी कैच ले सकते थे मंगेश. Happens once in a while. Oh, very well fielded. Oh, what brilliant fielding. Brilliant fielding. Oh, राहुल झा से वो गेंद ज्यादा लंबी नहीं थी, हाफ चांस कह सकते हैं उसे। एक एंड पर बिल्कुल अपने किले को सुरक्षित रखा है आदित्य ने। 8 runs, 8. It's the super over now. The only thing that can really keep team Superstars in the hunt is the negative marking. On the other hand, team Classy Riders, Raja and Aditya, they just have to stay at the wicket. Just hold 4 to one end. Just the way Aditya has held 4 to one end, he needs to continue in this over. At the moment, they are in the driver's seat, Team Classy Riders. With that single, the score on to 9. 10. The super over, 10. Four balls to go. एक तरफ हर्ष उल्लास होगा, दूसरी तरफ हताशा मायूसी. One team will be euphoric. The other team will be dejected. Well left, very well left. Raja is Mr. Experience. Congratulations to Team Classy Riders. They hold on to that element of self-belief. What an extraordinary match. Team Classy Riders are right back in contention. After having scored 68 runs yesterday, it was a total turnaround.